Senior education professional with 26+ years of experience in heading, setting up, turning around and strengthening the institutional performance, academic and non-academic, in sync with overall vision and goals. The Great Mentors warmly invites Ms. Jyoti Dahiya for talk show. Ms. Dahiya is proficient in developing and maintaining effective educational programs and high academic standards and promoting improvement in teaching. Ms. Dahiya is committed to providing a well-balanced, supportive and engaging learning environment for all students and collaborating with all members of the school community to meet the needs of students, teachers and deliver on school excellence. Demonstrated increasingly responsible administrative experience in academic affairs with evidence of student-centered approach, commitment to faculty development, and child upliftment. Ms. Dahiya has taken many strategic initiatives. She turned around the school performance enveloped with challenges such as lack of adequate and professional infrastructure, laissez-faire attitude towards rules, regulations, code of conduct and other management and administrative policies. Ms. Dahiya possesses many operational excellence, developed standardized teaching strategy, assessed teaching methods, monitored student achievement, encouraged parent involvement, administered the budget, hired and evaluated staff and oversaw facilities. Ms. Dahiya has been conferred with many prestigious awards. Women Leader Award 2021, Education Iconic Award 2022, Leading the Integration of the International Learning in the School by British Council, Leaders Awards, for Skill Enhancement, Most Updated Principal of the Year 2021.